Hi, I'm Meredith Tomlinson, and I'm here today with Father Rick Terry, former pastor here in Chillicothe, and now kind of director of the Potter's House. Is that right?
Yes, indeed.
All right. Well, we're here to talk to Father Rick about the Potter's House, how this got started, in this incredible space that they've created here in downtown Chillicothe. So thank you for joining me.
You're welcome.
Tell us about the Potter's House.
Sure. This is a faith-based ministry. It started about 8 years ago. We had a little church on Paint Street, Good Shepherd Anglican Church, and we wanted to kind of reach out in the community to share the love of the Lord with other folks. And we originally thought we might have a woodworking studio at a storefront in town and invite folks in to develop a relationship with them and get to know them. But then it evolved into a ceramic studio. I didn't know much about clay, but some other folks in town did. And so I got in contact with some potters in town, some gals basically. We called them the Fab Five because they were the original founders of this place. And so I rented a place, a storefront next door that was almost empty, and bought some furniture, and one thing led to another. I can remember having a prayer meeting in the studio there, praying to the Lord that, gosh, we don't have much money, we don't have much equipment or clay or anything, please help us. So the next day, Loie Jaggard, who was a seasoned elderly potter in town, and many folks in the community know of her. She was a professional potter who had gone into retirement. This gal that she had sold this stuff to contacted Loie and asked her if she knew of anyone who might want to buy this equipment for 20 cents on the dollar, and Loie said, I think we do. So Potter's House got a pickup truck and carried all this equipment back, and we saved a lot of money, and so we started to equip this place. It's full of equipment and clay and wheels and glazes. We got a couple of kilns in the back here, and it's totally volunteer run. No one gets paid here. All the money that we get through lessons and donations goes right back into the ministry here. And so the basic reason we're here is to just bring a blessing to the community and build up relationships with folks in town and tap into their creativity, because everyone has that God-given gift somehow, and it's often expressed through clay, creating things, and also sharing the love of Christ with them in a non-confrontational method, just by loving them and getting to know them. And so it's been really neat, exciting. As I say, it's been about 8 years in existence, and because of the virus, the graph has gone down low a little bit, but we're about ready to ramp up as soon as we can hopefully discard these masks and be back to normal.
Well, I can tell you, this is my first time here, and it's an incredible space. And I honestly had no idea that this was here. I knew the Potter's House, I had heard of it, but I didn't know all that you have and all that you offer. And after hearing your story and talking to you a bit, this is an incredible ministry that you're doing, and I appreciate that for the community. And hopefully you guys will come in and check this out and support this fantastic cause that you're doing. So what are some of the things that the Potter's House offers? Children, adults, I assume all ages? What
Sure.
lessons?
All kinds of lessons, hand building, and then wheels. So individual lessons, group lessons. We also offer group experiences, birthday parties. If you have 6, 8, 10, 12-year-olds and you want a unique place to come for a birthday party, you can bring in your cake and ice cream and gifts, and we supply the clay and the supervision to make a project. And also any church groups or any kind of groups that want to have an outing to create something that can be arranged easily.
Well, thank you so much. This is an incredible opportunity, like I mentioned, for our community, and like you said, individuals or groups, or however, I think all ages and walks of life would enjoy coming in and, like you said, expressing your creativity and using that, kind of God-given ability, right?
For sure.
So, thank you so much, Father Terry, for sharing a bit about the story. I highly encourage you guys to come in and check out the Potter's House. It's a fantastic addition to our community and our downtown, and I guarantee you won't be disappointed. Thank you.
Thank you. Yep.